Hey, Cmax here. Gonna do just a short video here on firearms safety. You know, I end almost every video with don't forget the safety rules and run through them real quick. Well, our friends at Glock have put out this firearms safety booklet here, and what I thought I would do is just put it on every page and let it freeze for a second and run through it just to try to get more exposure because we all want firearm safety. Do want to thank our folks at Glock, U.S. headquarters here in Georgia and Smyrna, and Glock well known around the world. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take still shots of each page. Please pause it. Read, look at everything you want to on it, then go to the, then let it go to the next page. And I thought this might be good. If it just helps one person, it'll be well worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the safety rules. And please like and subscribe. Check out all the other stuff. If you have any suggestions for videos or questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Don't just leave comments if you have a specific request or question, because for some reason YouTube is not always notifying me when a comment is left, and I'm starting to get a quite high number of videos, and it's just getting more difficult to track. So just email me at cmaxarms@gmail.com. I check that daily. If you need to get a message or have a question that you definitely want me to see. Thanks again. Have a great day.